to strip number 66. We are 2/3 of the way through this. I hope that you're all being inspired and having a lot of fun. This is strip by strip a quilting journey. So for 99 days, I am sharing 99 different ways to machine quilt 2-inch strips. It's a way to push myself to become more creative, and hopefully you'll join along and quilt with me, quilt just a few of these or quilt all 99. But I think this is also going to serve as a great reference point, something that you can always refer back to. I created an awesome companion design workbook that goes along, has illustrations for all 99 designs, but also in there, each design has its own QR code, so you can scan that code and it'll take you right to the video where I show you how to quilt these. So I think this is all going to work as an awesome reference for years and years to come. But anyways, today I'm going to be showing you how to free motion quilt this fun flower design in this 2-inch strip. And like I said, you can pick up the design workbook that has a piecing pattern, all the information you need to know, all the good stuff over on our website. But for now, let's get to the good stuff, the real good stuff, the quilting. Let's hop down here to my Gamble 22-inch machine. This design is quilting out super fun. Like I said, I do have the design illustrated out in our companion design workbook, but simply what I'll do is start out by quilting a curved line, and I'm eyeballing all of this and all of my spacing, but I'm quilting over probably 1, maybe 2 inches. And then I create almost a hook. From there, I'll add bumps, creating a flower all the way around until I get back over to this side. Once I get back over there to the right side, then I'm going to travel to the next one and repeat. And this time I actually went in the opposite direction, so create a lot of interest by alternating directions. Thanks for joining me in this machine quilting video. I hope you were able to find a bit of inspiration. Don't forget, we have created an awesome companion design workbook that includes all 99 of these designs illustrated, plus we have our favorite QR codes that when you scan those with your smart device, it'll take you right to the video where I show you how to do this machine quilting. Don't forget, I love seeing your work. You can share in our Piece and Quilt Show and Tell Facebook group. Have a great day and happy quilting!